this video, I'm going to be building a fishing bike. I'm just going to be using zip ties and 1.5 PVC pipe. Off my sister's bike, she doesn't ride it. Basically, there was a place to mount it right here. I had to get a different bolt and washer, and this isn't meant for my bike, so then I just zip tied it right there. Zip ties work for everything. It's your answer to everything. As you can see, I drilled holes and put the zip ties through the holes. It was pretty easy to get them in on the end because I can just stick my fingers in here very easily, maneuver it. But the second one was pretty tough. Couldn't get it in there quite as easily, so I had to take a drill bit and got it in there. Now it's time to install it on my bike. Installed. Clip the excess off. Hopefully, when I put my tackle box on here, this won't get in the way. I don't think it will. So my final product, I had to switch out the bungee cord because the blue one is too big and my tackle box would fall off. This is one that's pretty sturdy. Now it's time to do the review. Go fishing. Everything seems to be holding up fine. It's very sturdy. Luckily nothing has fallen. About to go fishing at a creek. Let's see. There's a whole crap ton of fish in there. There's leaves holding them. See my bait right there. It's only the small fish that are going after it. There's a ton of big fish. See it? I don't know if production is too bad. So many small fish right there. Might have to change. My hook is small enough. Hopefully, bite. Yeah, probably have too much bait on there. whatever. I'll let you guys know if I caught anything.